Today I am making one of my favorite healthy bowl, a protein-packed lentil quinoa edamame salad. It's colorful, nourishing, and so delicious, perfect for a lunch, meal prep, and a light dinner. In a pot, add a half cup brown lentil, 1 cup water, season with olive oil, a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, add 1 garlic clove, bring it to boil, cover, let it cook for 18 minutes until perfectly soft but not mushy. While the lentils cooked, prep your veggies. I am using sliced avocado, half avocado, 4 cherry tomatoes, grated carrot, half, and 2 grated radishes. You can add any fresh veggies you love. Keep it colorful, keep it vibrant. Also a handful of spinach, finely chopped. Now into a large bowl, add half cup of cooked lentils, 1/3 cup of sweet corn, 1/3 cup of edamame, grated carrot and radishes. Next I am adding chili flavored makhana from Ashapop, roughly about 1 cup also for that amazing crunch. Then add cherry tomatoes, avocado slices and a handful of fresh cilantro. Then also add for the dressing, add 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a lemon juice, microgreens, a pinch of chili flakes, salt, add a drizzle of olive oil. Mix everything gently. This simple dressing makes the whole bowl taste incredible. Also don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. This simple dressing makes the whole bowl taste incredible. Now gently toast the salad so every bite gets that perfect balance of flavor, creamy, crunchy, smoky and fresh. Top it off with pomegranate seeds, pumpkin seeds and a little chopped onion for that fresh finish touch. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this one anyone who loves healthy, vibrant food.